Welcome to Steph's Creations. My name is Stephanie, and I'm going to show you how I made these numbers for my birthday photo shoot. Big news coming up, so stick to the end of the video for that. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you choose to recreate these numbers, the supplies are in the link below. And tag me in your recreations. Here are my socials, and let's get into the video. So first things first, I got a stencil from Etsy. If you choose to recreate it, tell them Steph's Creations sent you. And I just laid it all out there. And then I also taped them together on the back. And then I'm going to lay this on top of my cardboard and use an X-Acto knife to cut it out. LOL, cut it out. So as the stencil is on top of the cardboard, I'm just going to cut the paper and the cardboard at the same time, and this is going to assure that I'm actually cutting out the 6 the way it needs to be cut out properly, and it looks like a 6. An adult should definitely do this part. The X-Acto knife is very sharp, so be careful. And then when I'm all done with that, I'm just going to pop my 6 out of my cardboard, and any place where the cardboard is like still on the 6, I'm just going to cut that cardboard out so it can pop out very carefully. We don't want to break this. It's very gentle, because if we have to break it, we're gonna have to do everything again, and we don't want to do that, and I don't want y'all to do that. Okay, so be careful. And look, now we have a 6 or a 9, whichever way you're orientating it. But then we're going to have 2 craft foams, and we're going to put it together. And then we're going to place our number on top of the craft foam. And I'm going to take this like soldering hot knife, and I'm just going to trace around the 6. Again, I think an adult should do this whole project, because there are a lot of tools that are kind of dangerous if you don't use them carefully. So this is an adult project. I don't know. That's what I'm saying. LOL. But yeah, we're just going to use our hot knife to just trace the 6 on the craft foam, so it is like, it fits properly. Once you're done tracing, you're just going to remove your cardboard, and then you're going to take your hot knife and melt deeper in where you traced your number on the craft foam. I hope that makes sense. Do this part outside because it gets a bit fumy. And to make things go faster, just turn your craft foam up to the light on the back and then melt where you see like the light shine through. This makes the process go by so much faster, I am telling you guys. Okay, now when you're done with all of that, you can start breaking the pieces that are not your number, and it's like oh so easy. And then you're just going to hot glue the craft foam onto your cardboard where the pieces match up with each other. And you're going to want to make sure that your craft foam is on that cardboard very nice and secure. Put more hot glue if need be, just so nothing falls apart. And I also took a bit of the craft foam and glued it to the bottom of the numbers so they can stand up on their own. And this is how it should look like right now. Look, they're numbers. So now we're going to spray paint our numbers the color of whatever, you want your flowers to be. I wanted them to be red for romance. So I painted it red. I spray painted it red. Once it's spray painted, we are ready for our roses. And these roses are really nice. I really like them. But, okay, so now we're just going to cut the stems of the roses off. We just need a little bit, and yeah, like that. And we're just going to push it into our craft foam, and we're just going to fill out our numbers. If you can see, in some places I did put the leaves on the roses, and this is just going to fill it out so I have enough roses to fill up the numbers. It takes about 100 roses for one number, but if you choose not to use the greenery, you may need 2 boxes for one number. So it just depends on what you choose to do and what you like. I also chose to put artificial baby's breath onto my numbers, and this is just going to break up the reds and greens, and I thought it was going to match my like pearl dress. So I thought it was pretty cute to put in there. And again, it is your choice whether you want to add these into your number. And once you're done with that, you have made your numbers. Congratulations! And here's the big news. So if you live in the Houston area, I am deciding to start a number rental service so you don't have to make these on your own. So if you're interested in that, definitely go follow me on Instagram because I'll put out more news there. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I cannot wait until we make our next creation in the new year. And thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.